Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how we can make chicken pakora. First, let's prepare our chicken. You'll want about 1 pound of boneless chicken, cut into 1-inch pieces. Marinate these pieces for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours in a mixture of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, and a touch of salt. This step is crucial for infusing flavor deep into the chicken. Next, we'll create the crispy pakora batter. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of graham flour, also known as besan, with 2 tablespoons of rice flour for extra crispiness. Add a teaspoon each of cumin powder, coriander powder, and a pinch of baking soda. Gradually mix in about 1/2 cup of water until you have a thick, lump-free batter that adheres well to the chicken. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 cups of oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. Ensure the oil reaches approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the batter-coated chicken pieces into the hot oil, frying in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook each batch for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once fried to perfection, transfer your chicken pakora to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. For a burst of freshness, sprinkle with finely chopped fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Serve these delightful, crispy pakoras immediately with your favorite dipping sauces, such as a tangy mint chutney, sweet tamarind chutney, or even classic ketchup. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.